So the sound quality is very important.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
You can use the built-in microphone off your phone, but if there's a lot of external noise, if you're outside, if you're maybe doing something, if anything, a lot of unnecessary background noises can creep into your videos, and you want to minimize that and actually use a better microphone to even enhance the sound quality of your voice. So you can use a lapel mic that is specifically made, like you see here. I search for a lapel mic for iPhone. If you have an Android, obviously you would search for Android, and you might need some extra adapters because you see some of them have a cable that might not plug into the type of phone that you have. So like you see right here, there's this 3.5 cable, but obviously for some newer iPhones, they don't have that jack, so you need to get a little adapter for it regardless. But a lapel mic like this might not be too visible or interfere with your actual video quality, but it will immediately help to enhance your audio quality. You might notice when I do my videos for this course from the phone, I don't have that mic at the moment, so the sound quality is a little worse. I hope it's not too noticeable, but there is a difference. The reason I don't have a mic like that is because most of the videos I make are pre-recorded and then I upload them. And I record them using different cameras and different microphones. So for my TikTok, I actually pre-record like my music videos or something like this. I pre-record them using like a really fancy microphone and then I upload them. But my case is not common. Most people will probably use something like this. That's a very inexpensive option to have really great audio quality that is much better than the built-in microphone that your iPhone or Android phone has. And audio quality is really important because if a lot of videos, if you talk, if they can't understand you or if they don't have a good time listening to you, it's going to decrease the engagement of your videos, and you don't want that. You want to maximize engagement.